Okay guys, so this is my water machine. So the lady came in, she fixed it, she cleaned it, it's all nice and clean, but it's still making me sick. So I'm just waiting. Excuse the mess right here. And then you just press this key button right here. You hold it down once the water starts coming, you release it, and then your hot water keeps pouring. For cold water, you don't need a key, you just go. I guess that was just like, I don't know, a safety measure in case it was maybe down lower to a kid's height, at least, you know. But kids like buttons, so I don't know. That's just my opinion. As I've heard from the technician, this is an older machine. So this is definitely not compact. It's taking up a lot of space. Hence, I have all my junk piled up over here.
필요합니까?
위치.
Water? Oh, no, here. Oh. So turn this.
Okay.
감사합니다. I saw the technician just installed a new machine, and here it is. And it's full display right here. As you can see, I have a little bit of space left, but I'm just gonna move it a little bit this way for this crap right here. I'm trying to think. I'm just gonna organize it somehow. I'll figure it out. Let's see if I was paying attention to what the guy said. Oh, nice. You just turn it. Oh, that's so cool. I wonder how much I'm gonna be paying for this machine right here. This fancy schmancy machine. So the water looks nice and clean. It smells great. Tastes way better than the last machine. Alright guys, here's to getting better. See you guys tomorrow.